My name is Ali Abdurrahman Abdullah Ali. I'm the Somali national team coach and I'm part of the management of Seattle African Cup. Today was our first meeting to get ready for the big tournament that's coming up on July 31st to August 6th at Foster High School. We're here to make our community first. I know that everybody's worried about their community.
My name is Isra Jaman. I'm a representative of the African Cup of Nations that's coming up. With this tournament here, we do it every year. Unfortunately, with the pandemic, there has been a little bit of break on it, and now we are coming back to it. It's about 12 teams together.
And everything is alright. I like how you're doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it.
You know, we African, we are here. There's a lot of African community here. Whereby if we put up a tournament every year, it will encourage the communities to bring out their best players, and from there, players can be seen. Maybe one day they can have a shout out to go to a different team and show their talents.
So what we're looking for the outcome is trying to give these young kids opportunity to really showcase their talent. You know, showcase their talent, keep them off the street. You know, that's what this program is all about.
So I'm so emotional because even though it's 6 months away, it's just that I feel like it's here, it's coming for tomorrow, and I know it will.
And everything is alright. I like how you're doing alright. Like how you think alright.
With this tournament here, it's a way to connect with other African communities. It's a way to give this African young kid an opportunity to showcase your talent.
You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It be so.
Come out and let's show the people in Washington that we have a huge community here of African descendant, you know, that are doing positive things.
We want for every single African community and African leader to put a team together. And you know, and join this African Cup of Tournament, African Cup of Nations, and let's engage. Let's start building a community, a lifetime community that's not just temporary.
I just want to tell everybody that when the day comes, I want you guys to show up, come to the field, bring your kids, bring your family, and come enjoy it.